Solar tile roofs are like the stealthy superheroes of solar energy, blending right into your roof instead of just chilling on top like traditional panels. So, here's the deal with solar tile roofs. First off, these tiles are actually part of your roof structure, so they replace regular roofing materials instead of sitting on top. That means you get a way cleaner look, no bulky panels sticking out like a sore thumb. They usually cover more surface area because the whole roof can be solar powered, not just certain spots where panels fit. Plus, they can be made to look like regular shingles or tiles, which is awesome if you care about curb appeal. Installation might take a bit longer and cost more upfront, but they often last longer and can increase your home's value. Also, since solar tiles are integrated into the roof, they tend to hold up better in bad weather compared to panel mounts that can sometimes get loose or damaged. And if you're worried about efficiency, modern solar tiles have gotten pretty good at converting sunlight to power, though traditional panels still edge them out slightly in pure output. One of the biggest mistakes with solar tile roofs is underestimating the installation complexity. People often think it's just like slapping on panels, but you need a pro who really knows what they're doing to avoid leaks or poor wiring. Another common slip-up is ignoring the upfront cost. Solar tiles usually cost more than traditional panels, so budgeting for that is key to avoid sticker shock. Lastly, many folks forget to check local building codes and homeowners association rules before installing solar tiles, which can lead to delays or having to redo work. Always get those approvals first to keep things smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about solar roofs and all kinds of home improvements. For contractors, it's a great way to find real clients looking for quality work without wasting time chasing leads.